What's good? I'm here to pick up some beautiful Bilsteins I've been waiting a long time for.
What's up, guys? Jeff with Shock Surplus, and we got Buzz here with his beast of a Tundra. Buzz, tell us a little bit about it. What do you got on there right now?
Right now we've got the Bilstein 6112s and the 5100s in the rear. Got some 35 Yokohama Geolanders, the Icon compressions, Spider Auto for all my lights as far as heads and tails, Bajas on the ditch lights and the fog lights, and the Vulcan off-road front bumper and a custom rear bumper.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 6112s and the 5100s. How are you liking those so far?
I like them. I've thrashed them, put them through hell and back, but it's time to go bigger so we can go even harder.
Yeah, Buzz. Definitely. Buzz is actually going to be throwing on the 8112s and the 8100s. It's going to be a huge upgrade. What kind of driving do you do?
All sorts of driving. Lots of desert, a little bit of crawling. You know, no lockers on the Tundra, so kind of have to be wary of that when we're out goofing around. But it hangs pretty well in all types of scenarios. So we'll see what we get into with these new shocks.
Yeah, this is the TRD off-road, right?
Yep.
So it did have the factory Bilsteins.
Yep.
How was what made you decide to stick with Bilsteins from the factory TRDs to the 6112s and now the 8100s?
I've always kind of convinced myself that if they're giving you those shocks on the trucks from the dealership, you got to be able to trust them, you know. So let's see what else they can do when they further that performance. So yeah, I don't know. I trust them. I beat them to shit, and I wanna keep going up with them, you know.
Nice. Yeah. I know for sure you'll be happy with those.
Yeah.
So how'd you hear about us?
Well, when I was looking for my 6112s, I just found you guys on Instagram, and I saw that you had them in stock, so I ordered them up. I called. You guys had really good customer service, so you know that's a big one when it comes to ordering parts, and shipping was quick. You know, if there weren't any issues, but you guys were really quick to respond. So
sweet.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Appreciate
definitely.
you hitting us up.
Of course.
Let them know where can they follow your build at?
Instagram, Buzz's SR5. There's a couple underscores in there, but if you type in Buzz's SR5, it'll come up on the search bar. So
yeah, we're definitely going to be tagging him, and we're definitely going to have more videos of this beast of a truck. Make sure you guys give him a follow his build and his progression. We're going to be doing a trail run with him in the coming future, so be sure to check that out when we put that up on there. And we're going to go inside and do an unboxing of the 8112s. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to hit us up, shocksurplus.com, and we'll be happy to help you guys out.
All right, yeah, let's go check them out. Ooh, I see Bilstein boxes. It's a good sign. Can I come back here? Nice? All right. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Whew. Beast. Yeah, Tundra's gonna like these. Gonna like them a whole lot. Look at that puppy. Yeah, we're pumped. We are pumped. Oh yeah. All right, on to the next. Oh, it's a lot heavier. It's gonna be a coilover. Oh, look at that. All right, hold on. Stretch. Look at that. Look at the weight of that. Sick. Unreal. Yeah, we're gonna jump it a little more often after these are on.
That changed.
I got it at Shock Surplus.